Add ko lang dun sa sinabi ko kanina. The world hates us and it will persecute us for loving Jesus and for being different because the life of Jesus is different from what the world is. Ngayon, that is also because if we live by the principles of the Bible, if we live by the Word of God, our life will now become a rebuke to the world. And that's why it hates us and it will persecute us. Kasi iisipin nila, parang ayaw nila yung mga holier than thou. Di ba? Parang yung philosophy ng mundo ay para sa naman tayo mga kasalanan. But we're here studying the Word of God, trying to perfect the life that Jesus has given us by His Spirit and by His grace. Pero sa mundo, hindi nila yun accept because they still want to live in sin. They still want to live selfishly. They want to live their lives for themselves. And according to what I'm reading sabi ni Dr. Cal Newport doon sa book niya na so good they can ignore you ay our success is not being measured by what we can get from the world, nasabi ko na rin ito dati, but what we can give to the world. So, yun yung contrast ng mundo kay Jesus. Because Jesus is about giving and not just receiving, but the world is about receiving and not giving. That's why it hates us, because we are living differently and not by their principles.